Depression is more than just feeling sad. It is a common mental health condition that affects how you think, feel, and act. People with depression may feel hopeless, lose interest in daily activities, or feel tired all the time. It can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, or background. Common signs of depression include persistent sadness or emptiness, loss of interest in things once enjoyed, changes in appetite or weight, trouble sleeping or sleeping too much, fatigue or lack of energy, difficulty concentrating, feelings of guilt or worthlessness, thoughts of self-harm or suicide. These symptoms may last for weeks or even months. Depression can be caused by many factors such as family history of mental illness, brain chemistry or hormonal changes, trauma or stressful life events, chronic illness or pain, loneliness or lack of support. It's not a weakness, and it's not something you can just snap out of. If you're feeling depressed, here are some ways to cope. Talk to someone. Reach out to a trusted friend, family member, or counselor. Talking can help you feel less alone. Stay active. Even light exercise like walking can boost your mood. Movement helps release feel-good chemicals in the brain. Follow a routine. Try to keep a daily routine even if it's simple. Structure helps bring stability. Eat well and sleep enough. A healthy diet and proper sleep support your mental health. Avoid too much caffeine, sugar, or alcohol. Limit negative thoughts. Write down your feelings. Challenge negative self-talk with more positive or realistic thoughts. Seek professional help. If symptoms don't improve, consider seeing a therapist or doctor. Treatment like therapy or medication can make a big difference. Depression is real, but it is also treatable. Many people recover with the right support and treatment. You are not weak and you are not alone. Taking the first step to seek help is a sign of strength. Let's break the silence. Let's support one another. Let's choose hope.